Hello students, good evening to everyone. This is M. Bujjibabu, working as a chemistry lecturer in Vignan Cooperative Junior College, Vatlamudi. In a previous video, I gave explanation about some important properties of the chlorine, preparation methods of the chlorine and the properties of the chlorine. So regarding chlorine, we have to learn about that some physical properties and chemical properties. After completion of the topic of the chlorine, the next one, another important compound which is related to the 17th group elements or halogens, that is HCl, hydrogen chloride. So look at the contents which are present in this video are preparation of hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen chloride is another important compound of, it is prepared by the combination of hydrogen and chlorine. So that is about the preparation of hydrogen chloride. And next one, physical properties of hydrogen chloride. Generally, hydrogen chloride is a gas. So in another form, this gas also converted into liquid form and solid form by heating and sublimation. And third one, chemical properties of hydrogen chloride. So generally, hydrogen chloride is having strong acidic nature. That's why HCl react with some bases like ammonia, and also it also decomposes the salts of weak bases like carbonates, bicarbonates and sulfates, etc. And finally, uses of hydrogen chloride. There are wide range of applications which is used in the different categories in medicine industry, and some of the preparation of chemical reagents, this HCl can be used. So the introduction part of the hydrogen chloride, HCl. So first of all, HCl can be discovered by the scientist Glauber. He discovered the HCl by the action of common salt, that is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium chloride react with concentrated sulfuric acid. And next one, another scientist, the name Davy, he proposed the elemental nature of the HCl and the properties of the HCl, and also HCl is a compound of combination of hydrogen and chlorine. So this is the introduction part about the HCl. Generally, HCl available in the gaseous form. And next one, what are the preparation methods of hydrogen chloride? Preparation methods. Preparation methods of hydrogen chloride are simply HCl. Common salt like sodium chloride, NaCl, react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 420 Kelvin temperature. At 420 Kelvin temperature, it gives sodium bisulfite, NaHSO4 plus and HCl. And again, sodium bisulfate again react with sodium chloride at 823 Kelvin temperature. It gives sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus HCl. So in these two equations, we can easily prepare the HCl gas. So the action of sodium chloride, that is a common salt, when treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid, first sodium bisulfate is obtained, and next one, sodium bisulfate again treated with the sodium chloride at 823 Kelvin temperature, sodium sulfate and HCl is produced. So this is the preparation methods of the hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. Here another important thing is, when HCl is dissolved in water, that it will be called as hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. acid. So this is the preparation methods of the HCl. Physical properties of hydrogen chloride. So what are the physical properties of hydrogen chloride? First of all, hydrogen chloride is a gas. It is a colorless gas. It is a colorless gas with a pungent smell. It is a colorless gas which is having pungent smell or odor. So it can be easily liquefied. It can be easily liquefied. Its a boiling point is 189 Kelvin temperature. It easily liquefied, that means HCl gas can be easily converted into liquid. That is also, it gives a colorless liquid. It gives a colorless liquid which a boiling point is 189 K. And also it is easily freezes into a white crystalline solid. Easily freezes into white crystalline solid. White crystalline solid. Its freezing point is 150 Kelvin temperature. Its freezing point is 150 Kelvin temperature. Another important physical property for HCl is it is highly soluble in water. It is highly soluble. It is highly soluble in water. Highly soluble in water. So these are all the important physical properties of the HCl gas. First one, it is a colorless gas and having some pungent odor, and it easily liquefied and gives a colorless liquid again. Its boiling point is 189 K. It easily freezes into white crystalline solid. Its freezing point is 150 Kelvin temperature. And finally, HCl is highly soluble in water. Next, chemical properties of hydrogen chloride. In that first one, acidic nature. So what is the acidic nature of HCl? So come to the first one, acidic nature. Hydrogen chloride, HCl, dissolved in water, it forms H3O plus ion and Cl minus ion. HCl in gaseous state, water in liquid state, hydronium ion aqueous state, Cl minus in aqueous state. When HCl dissolved in water, it is able to form H3O plus ion and Cl minus ion. Its dissociation constant K is equal to 10 to the power 7. So basing on the dissociation constant, HCl is having strong acidic nature. It is a strong acidic nature. It having strong acidic nature. Strong acidic nature. So therefore, HCl has strong acidic nature. Basing on this reaction, when HCl dissolved in water, it is able to form hydronium ion and chloride ion. The dissociation constant K is equal to 10 to the power 7. Basing on this value, we can set that HCl is a strong acidic character. Therefore, HCl react with a base like ammonia, NH3, it is able to form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. HCl react with ammonia to form ammonium chloride having white dense fumes. White dense. It gives white dense fumes. White dense fumes. And next one, reaction with nitric acid. Reaction with nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Here 3 parts of HNO3 and 1 part of HCl is known as aqua regia. Aqua regia. Aqua regia. So what is meant by aqua regia? Aqua regia is a combination of 3 parts of HNO3 and 1 part of HCl. Aqua regia can be used in the dissolving of gold and platinum metal. It can be used for the dissolving gold and platinum metal. So for example, in case of gold metal, Au plus 4H plus ions and 4Cl minus ions plus NO3 minus. So here H plus ions and Cl minus ions are from HCl, NO3 minus ion is from HNO3, then AuCl4 minus plus here 2H2O plus and NO2 and NO2. Therefore, gold react with H plus ions and Cl minus ion. That means this is totally aqua regia. Gold react with aqua regia to form gold chloride. And next one, it also react with platinum. Platinum react with aqua regia. Here 16H plus and 18Cl minus plus 4NO3 minus. So this is a mixture of aqua regia. So here 3PT, here 18 chlorines are there, PtCl 6 minus 2 plus what about hydrogen? 16 hydrogens are there, it gives 8H2O plus next 4NO2, 4NO. So once check the balance, 16H plus E2 16, 8Cl minus 6, 3 is 18, 4 nitrogens, 4N and oxygens, 4 3 is 12 oxygens, here 8 oxygens and 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So this is about the reaction of HCl with aqua regia, reaction of HCl with aqua regia. So aqua regia means composition of 3 parts of HNO3 and 1 part of HCl is known as aqua regia, which can be dissolved like gold and platinum metal. Like this, gold react with aqua regia and platinum react with aqua regia. Property, reaction with the salts of weak acids. So HCl decomposes the carbonates, bicarbonates and sulfates. For example, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate react with HCl. HCl decomposes sodium carbonate into here 2 sodium chlorides, 2 NaCl and plus CO2 plus H2O plus H2O. So after writing the completion of the equation, it is mandatory to check up the balancing of the given equation. Do you know very well what is the balancing of the equation means? The number of atoms which are presenting left side of the arrow is equal to the atoms which are present in the right side of the arrow. Here HCl decomposes sodium carbonate into sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. At the same manner, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate react with HCl. That means HCl decomposes sodium bicarbonate into, it gives sodium chloride plus here also CO2 plus H2O. So HCl decomposes sodium bicarbonate into sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. And next one, sodium sulfite Na2SO3 react with HCl, here also giving 2 NaCl plus here SO2 plus H2O. So HCl decomposes sodium sulfite into sodium chloride and sulfur dioxide. So what is the common? At the similar manner, how the HCl decomposes sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate and sodium sulfide. Here also HCl decomposes some metal sulfides. It decomposes metal sulfides and phosphides and nitrites. So come to the first one. In case of metal sulfides, sodium sulfide react with HCl. That means HCl decomposes sodium sulfide into sodium chloride, 2NaCl plus H2S. Come to the metal phosphide like calcium phosphide, Ca3P2. It react with 6 moles of HCl. It able to form calcium chloride plus what about phosphorus? 2 phosphorus are present here, 2PH3. That is phosphine. Check the balance. 3 calcium, P2, 2 phosphorus, 6 hydrogens and 6 chlorines. Okay. So calcium phosphide treated with HCl able to form calcium chloride and phosphine, PH3. And finally, metal nitrite, sodium nitrite, NaNO2. It react with HCl. Here also 2NaCl plus what about hydrogens? 2 hydrogens are here. That means H2O. And next one here NO2 plus NO. So balance the nitrogen atoms. 2 nitrogen atoms, 2N. Here N. What about oxygens? Here 2 to 4 oxygens are here. 4 oxygens, 2 to 4 on left side. What about oxygen atoms in right side? Here 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 4. That's all. Okay. Here also some metal sulfides, phosphides and nitrites react with HCl to form their respective sodium sulfide to sodium chloride, calcium phosphide to calcium chloride, sodium nitrite to sodium chloride. Therefore, HCl can decomposes the respective sulfides, carbonates, bicarbonates. So these are all the chemical property of HCl. Finally, uses of hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen chloride can be used in the manufacture of chlorine and ammonium chloride. It can be used in the manufacture of chlorine and ammonium chloride. So HCl also used in the manufacture of some medicines and laboratory reagents. It can be used. So it is also used for the extraction of glue from bones, and a purification of bone black. And HCl can also be used in the preparation of aqua regia. It is also can be used in the making dyestuffs and in sugar industry. Can also be used in the sugar industry. So these are all the uses of hydrogen chloride. Okay, finally I recall what we learned in this video, especially about the HCl, hydrogen chloride, the preparation methods of the HCl and some physical properties of the HCl and chemical properties of the HCl, and finally uses of HCl, that is hydrogen chloride. Thank you very much. Thank you to all.